Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to negotiate with the seller of an item that you are interested in and make an offer on the price. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button and select an item that you are interested in. Scroll down till you find the make an offer option and click on it. You should type in the amount of your offer, which shouldn't be too high nor too low, according to the starting price that you can see next to the product's image. Tap on the send button. As you can see, your offer has been sent and the seller has 2 days to respond to your offer. So that's the way how you can negotiate in terms of the price if you're interested in purchasing an item on Vestiaire. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.